guys, we are gonna do crazy dirt biking today, and I'm gonna be the fastest guy doing it.
He's going to be going on this Kawasaki KDX 50.
And I am on an electric dirt bike that goes 15 miles per hour.
He goes 30.
Oh.
That's like on a real road.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm used to it.
Okay, guys, so me and Dylan are going to be doing some long passes with a tiny ball.
Can you introduce me now?
And we are really good. So, hope you enjoy. See you later.
Action!
Okay, guys, we're back. And we got it, so me and Dylan are going to be playing. And let's go. Dylan, try to Odell Beckham Jr. me. Okay? Oh, God. Dude! I'm okay, I stubbed my toe.
By the way, that's his house, and that's my. Fell. No, that's my house. That's his house. You can't even see your house,
Yeah,
Mace.
this is my house.
Yep.
My house is
And that's my house.
My house is over
Zachary's house is right there.
Ready, Dylan? Really high. And say there's a secret.
Oh gosh.
Secret guest today.
Hey, you're not an elbow Jack and Pango.
What the?
You're a baby bingo dingo.
What the heck is that, Zach?
It's a baby. Oh my God, Dylan! I'm gonna kill you.
This is my angel face.
Jesus!
Get wrecked. Oh God, no! Not cool, bro. Not cool. Not cool, bro. Not cool.
Okay, guys, we'll be right back after this game of toss. Okay, guys, he's back on the dirt bike, and he's going to be riding, and Dylan is too.
What's up?
He looks so swag. Okay, guys, we'll be right back and see you later. Hey, guys, and we're back riding. And there's Max. And right now we're doing a fire.
About BMX?
Look how sweet that looks.
No, that's not BMX. It is. It is. So we can ride or what, Logan?
There's
Hey, Logan, I'm going to show us. I'm going to show about Logan, us. I'm going to ride.
go. Hey guys, so we're just not actually. Logan just decided we're not actually gonna ride on the BMX trail.
Yeah, we found a new trail, so we're deciding to go on that right now.
Yeah,
Okay.
by the way,
So guys, I hope you like it.
if you want to see the other trail, search the Bigfoot video. Search Bigfoot video, Crazy Kids, and I hope you love it.
Yeah, guys. So I'll put that in the description. So if you like it, I'll put the Bigfoot. It's called We Saw Bigfoot's Home, Crazy Kids. Okay. So if you like this video, you should check out our Bigfoot video. And okay, let's go on the trail.
You should go in front of me. I just like to go slow.
Okay.
So hey guys, we just did the new trail, now we're gonna do the BMX trail, which is that ramp and that little rock ramp right there. And we're gonna go around the fire, through the rocks, and that's pretty much it. So I'll show you.
Let's watch this Kawasaki go. Okay, there he is. See him rock. Woo! He just got some air on that one. Then there's a little rock ramp, then around the fire, then comes back, then does a little rock ramp,